India's proxy war in Balochistan, terrorism propaganda and the false narrative of BYC and BLF. Balochistan, rich in resources and geostrategic significance, faces a relentless proxy war led by India's RAW. Groups like the BLA, BLF, and BYC are at the forefront of this hybrid conflict, blending terrorism, misinformation, and digital manipulation. In 2025, Balochistan witnessed a disturbing wave of attacks targeting civilians, security personnel, and development projects. From the tragic Khuzdar school bus bombing to the Surab assault and attacks on Jafar Express, each incident bore the hallmarks of external funding, training, and coordination. Indian origin weapons like INSAS rifles and satellite phones recovered from terrorists confirm foreign involvement. Meanwhile, BYC and BLF hide behind slogans of human rights and enforce disappearances while actively shielding and facilitating terrorism. Cases like Wadood Satakzai, Kareem Jan, and Zishan Zahiz prove that many so-called missing persons were in fact active collaborators in terrorism. Figures like Marang and Samideen exploit international platforms for anti-state propaganda funded by foreign entities. Social media is weaponized by these groups to fabricate narratives, mislead the youth, and undermine national institutions. Internal rifts within BYC and evidence of foreign funding further expose their real agenda. In 2016, arrest of Indian spy Kulbhushan Jadhav and Pakistan's detailed UN dossiers offer irrefutable proof of India's hand in destabilizing Balochistan. The killing of innocent Punjabi workers and travelers in 2025 based on ethnicity has shattered the myth of freedom struggle, exposing BLA and BLF as ethnic terrorist outfits. The people of Balochistan, especially mothers and youth, must reject these false saviors. True empowerment lies in education, peace, and development, not in the bullets of foreign-funded proxies. Balochistan will rise not through violence, but through unity and truth.